Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another interesting video. Let us begin. In a boiling water, I will add 1.5 packs of noodles. And once this is done, I am going to stir to separate the noodles. Okay? After this, then I am going to cover and allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Three minutes later, take it off the heat and drain off the water with a strainer. It is advisable to pour in cold water on the noodles. This is going to stop the noodles from overcooking. We are going to make use of 2 eggs, the egg white and the egg yolk here, which I have separated and set aside. Thank you all for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate every one of you. If you are new on my channel, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with your loved ones. So, to our semi-cooked noodles, it is time to add the veggies. I'm going to start with the chopped onions, spring onions, tomatoes, carrots, chopped red pepper, I'll add the corn flour, the noodle seasoning, and I will pour in the egg whites. That's my egg whites. Mix till all the ingredients is well combined. My shout out goes to Sitting Pretty Cakes and Toyin Akinfemiwa, both from Lagos, Nigeria. I am happy both of you enjoy the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're calling from so that I can give you a warm shout out on my next video. So after mixing, this is what I have. This beautiful looking noodles. I am using my air fryer pan to fry the noodles. So in a frying pan, I will add a little bit of vegetable oil, spread the oil around the pan as you see me doing. So move in with some noodles into the frying oil like I'm doing so. If you are still watching till this time, go to the comment, type this is bam. After scooping the noodles, make a hole at the center and pour in the egg yolk as you see in the video. And I will now season with a little bit of salt for taste. Cover and allow to cook on both sides on a low heat for about 2 minutes. And our noodles are ready. Transfer to a serving plate. Serve and enjoy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? I know you do. If you do, type another luminous recipe in the comment section. This is called pancake noodles. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.